Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the MR preparation strategy. So this is our part 5, and if you have not watched our part 4 videos, so please go and watch them firstly, because we have discussed about TCS Smart Hiring interview preparation, each and everything. Means not a single thing has been left, and I guess means rarely any of the question will be out of our preparation videos. So guys, in addition to government private job alerts, what we did, we on daily basis provide you 2 to 3 government private job alerts, plus we have started the preparation strategy. For example, we have started with Global Edge, and then we have started with TCS Smart Hiring, and we got good comments and lovable comments from the students. If you still have any doubt, then you can go and watch the videos, and if you do not want it to be video, so you can go and read the comments also. Means you will get to know about the preparation strategy, about our explanation strategies, each and everything. So guys, in this video, so we are going to discuss about MR round preparation strategy, and watch the video till the end. And if you have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section, because as we already promised you in our initial videos when you have started our channel, so we told you that we will try to comment you, reply you within a particular stipulated time. So guys, we have a bit tight schedule, but still we managed to reply you guys. So guys, now talking about your TCS MR interview preparation, so we will be discussing each and everything about MR, what is MR round, and after that we will be discussing about the exact interview questions. Means that means the questions which have been asked in your past few months or the past few years, getting. So that means your previous year questions. So we will be discussing each and everything, and we will be telling you the tips and tricks to create MR rounds. So before that, we have discussed about the TR, HR, and this is your MR round, and I guess this will be your last video, or we will be looking for another video if we got any of the doubts from the students. If you got much more doubts, then we can make record a new video. So guys, now talking about your MR round. So your MR round will takes for 10 to 12 minutes maximum. So 10 to 12 minutes is more than sufficient, and because your TR and HR is already taken. So after that, now talking about each and everything, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel and press bell icon, so that if there is any update, so you will get it earlier. And guys, one more information, because I wanted to tell in the initial video. So the information is, if you are preparing for TCS NQT, your August session or your November session, so we have prepared a TCS Smart Hiring preparation strategy videos. These are really helpful, and in TCS Smart Hiring also there is exam of cognitive skills, and in your TCS NQT August or November session there is the exam of cognitive skills. That means the exams are same, getting. So the questions are will be same, and the level of questions will be same. And definitely we will be adding some more videos, and I guess more than 20-25 videos we have recorded, and I guess each and every video was more than 40-50 minutes. So the videos are really helpful, and as I already told you, you can go and read the comment section also. So guys, now talking about your MR interview preparation strategy. So MR round is your managerial round. So I will be discussing about the offline. Means we have talked to some of our students who got who prepared from our videos also, and via personal assistants also when we have not started our channel. So means we have talked to them. So what they told, that in MR round means your TR and your HR will take place simultaneously, and after that the candidates who will be selected will be sent to the around in a different room, getting guys. So this is your offline mode, getting. But this time this is your everything will be your online mode. So it can also be possible that TR, HR plus MR will take place in a single video interview, getting. So that can last for much more time, or it can be something like your TR and sorry HR will takes place, and after a few days, means the candidates who will be selected in TR plus HR, so they will get the your interview mail for MR, getting guys. So means if you have prepared or qualified your TR or HR, so you will get your MR interview, getting. So guys, one more additional information, that as I told you already, that your TR, MR, HR, all the rounds mean they will take place online. So there can be variation of time also, getting, because as I told you, 10 to 15, 10 to 15, 10 to 15, that means 30 to 35 minutes mean in total. But as it is a online mode, so it can also last for less minutes, getting guys, because they also have to do a lot of work. I'm talking about the interviewer, so it can last for something less also. So now we will be discussing about the exact question, or I can call it exact interview question, or your previous year questions. So we will be starting with your first question. So as I told you, means if your MR round will be separate, so definitely it will start from your introduction. So we have discussed about the introduction in last two videos also. So you can go and watch them. And I suggest you watch all the videos. Do not come to the MR round directly, because this is the last round for your selection, and after that you will be an employee of TCS. So congratulations from my side. So now talking about the first question. So the first question can be, tell me something about yourself that you have not mentioned in the resume. Getting guys, so it is completely your personality check. Getting means वो आपकी personality check कर रहे हैं, means what kind of person you are, talking about your mentality, logical reasoning, each and everything. Getting, and let me tell you one more thing, your MR round will be taking like it is something like a situational case. For example, I will tell you, just say I think more than 80% of you have attended SSB. I think SSB, your NDA, CDS, I think you have given your exams. So in that also, in your SSB, selection service board, so in your SSB what happened, they just gave you the सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस. गेटिंग मींस वो आपकी लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, वो आपकी मेंटेलिटी, वो दे वांटेड टू चेक. गेटिंग, सो एज आई टोल्ड यू योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ दैट यू हैव नॉट मेंशन इन द रिज्यूमे. दैट मींस द थिंग which you have not mentioned, that means they wanted to know about your personal life. Getting, so you have to select one or two things that you haven't mentioned in the resume and that are good to the company. You have to mention and write in the notebook, because I know at the time of interview a lot of students are get nervous and they did not speak much, and they started struggling like, sir, I am doing like this. Getting, so it means they are bit nervous, they cannot even speak properly. So this is the question. So this is one of the questions, so you can note it down. This is a good question, because they are asking apart from your resume, because I know, as I already told you in our previous videos, and we also made a resume video also. So if you haven't watched, so go and watch that. And in our resume video I told you about what to write in the resume, how to write, how to present. So each and everything we have discussed in our first video of resume. So as I told you about resume, so this is all about, means आपको क्या करना है कि you have to write something different in your notebook, means apart from the resume. Getting, because these are some of the questions and these are some of the expected questions. I cannot say all the questions will come, but you can expect some of the questions. और अगर ये questions भी नहीं आए, that means if you have read these questions, so इससे बाहर कुछ भी आने वाला है. Getting guys, means apart from these questions nothing will be out of our preparation videos. So now talking about the next question. So next question can be your goals in life, means what are your goals. And I'm not talking about the goals in the company. Goals in the sense, means when you are in 10th, what are your goals, 12th, what are your goals, after graduation, what are your goals, and if you got the company, means if you got selected, what will be your goals. Getting guys, so they will be testing your each and everything, means what are you thinking in the 10th, then 12th, and then your graduation, and then after that in your company. So this is all about the second question, means you have to tell about the goals in your life. Now after that, yes, one more thing, goals can be your personal also. Means, sir, I want to achieve, I want to earn that much, I can feed my fathers and parents, plus I wanted to run NGO, whatever. I cannot say anything about your strength, but definitely you have to do it properly. So now talking about, means I'm telling you these questions, why? Because now what you have to do, I suggest you and request you, please write these questions and also write the answers according yourself. Getting, you have to write according to yourself, and for each and every question you must have an example and an exact and strong point. Getting, do not say in air that, sir, I wanted to that. Getting, do not say mean in air, or I wanted to, sir, do that. So why you are there then? Getting, if you will say that, sir, I want to be a pilot. Getting, or I want to be in Indian Air Force, so what you are doing here then? Getting, so do not say that much. You have to speak properly and calmly. Do not say anything. Now talking about your next question, why should we hire you? This is, I think, the good question and the most important question in your interview. Why should we hire you? हम आपको hire क्यों करें? This is the good question. You can write anything what you wanted to be. I mean, sir, You can firstly, let me tell you, you can start with your capabilities. You can say that I have cleared my exam, TR HR, so I must be having something because जो कि मीन आपने इंटरव्यू लिए हैं हमारे जो TR HR था आपकी टीम ने, so that means I must have something, I have the courage and I will do this, so this is your point, means आपको बताना है, you have to tell your abilities. Do not do like that you are so proudy, do not speak like that, but speak calmly and patiently. Now talking about your next question, why you wanted to join TCS, getting why you wanted to join TCS, and this is also one of the important question कि आपको TCS ही join क्यों करना है, go for Infosys, go for IBM, getting mean these are the questions they can ask you, mean कि आपको TCS ही क्यों join करना है. So as I told you in our HR video also, so you have to read some of the questions or some of the points from TCS, what is TCS, what they are doing, something benefits, perks, anything you can read out of among them, getting do not say anything or do not say in air like sir मुझे तो TCS ही join करना, I wanted to join, getting but you wanted to join, so what are the reasons you have to tell, getting. So this is your last next question. So now talking about the next question, the next question is, as I told you, MR round is all about your situations, getting they will give you at least one situation will be there. For example, let me make a situation for you, that you are a manager, okay, and you have a team of 10 members and they did something, means they did something like they have a project and they did complete project, but what happened at the last point or at the time of submission, your party, that means to whom you are preparing the interview, that your project, he denied, that he said that I do not wanted this anymore, I wanted something different, getting means the project which I gave you, that this has been fulfilled by some of our other party, I wanted another, getting. So now there is a pressure, there is a pressure from your higher authorities also on you, that means you are a manager, on you, that ask your team to do this, getting. So definitely there will be a pressure from them and your manager will pressurize you that you have to do, and you are denying, getting. You means your team is denying, you are a manager and you are being pressurized by your higher authorities, and higher authorities are pressurized by their party or you can say a customer, getting. So now how you will deal it, so this is a situation, so I suggest you write this in your notebook ki what you will do in that scenario, and after writing it, think about it ki is it good or is it right that you have done, means whatever you will do. So that means you have to be prepared for your situational questions also. Now getting, so one more thing, as I told in our HR interview also, in our HR interview preparation video, that you have to be prepared for your counterparts, means whatever you will speak, definitely there will be something from counterpart. That is why I am saying if you have anything, so speak it properly and you must have the explanation of it, because they must be asking you why, getting, why you have done this, why not this, getting. So you must have your answers. So this is all about MR interview. We have discussed each and everything in detail, and I guess we completed it in a good way, and I guess there is nothing out of this from our videos. So this is all about MR round, and as I already told in our HR interview preparation video, that this is MR round is our last interview round. So but after that, if you still have any doubt or wanted to record one more video on your doubts, so you can comment us in the comment section, like you have to comment in a series wise so that we can make another video. So this is all about your MR round. If you still have any doubt, you are most welcome, and apart from this TCS also, if you have any other doubt, so you can also ask. And if you have not watched our result video, that is some students are having doubts that sir I am badged, means my status in next step portal is badged, but I did not got any mail. This is the first question. Now the second question is, sir my status is not badged but I got the mail, getting. So these are some of the questions we have discussed. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch that video. We have prepared a playlist also, so go through the playlist, this will be really helpful to you. And one more thing, if you still wanted to refer any other video, then you can refer them, getting. I'm not saying that only refer these, but these will be definitely helpful to you, and I will ask after the interview, getting. So I suggest and request each and everyone, please tell us after the interview, because after the exam a lot of students told us about the videos also and how we made them prepare. So that is why I'm saying you can go and watch the comment section also. So this is all about today's video. So we have discussed each and everything in detail. So congratulations from my side, those who got selected, and those who did not got mail. So please wait for 2-3 days. So because TCS started sending the mails, and initially they started by 6-7 June, and definitely they will be coming to 13 June also. So please wait for your turn and have patience and start preparing for your interview. So this is all about today's video. So all the best and God bless you all.